Hey y'all, so I'm back, same fit, same do, because I'm filming 2 videos in one day. But this is going to be my Akira shoe haul. It's a continuation of the collective shoe haul that was posted before this video. So if you haven't watched that video, it's going to be linked in the eye. It's going to be in the description box as well. Go check it out. I show some athletic shoes, some boots, Shein, Nike, Ego, Crocs, all of that on there. But this video is strictly Shop Akira shoes because I made multiple purchases on the site. But yeah, hope y'all are doing well. Hope that 2023 is going great for you so far, and if it isn't, it's only the beginning. You have time to make it what you want it to be. But we're just gonna go get into this because I have a lot of shoes to show y'all. So let's get into it. Yeah, so I don't know if I can see, but I got like a huge box right here and a huge box right here full of shoes from Akira. So we're gonna start with this little box because it is the oldest package. And I have not opened anything yet because I like to unbox stuff with y'all in TikTok. But yeah, I got 2 pair of boots in this particular order. They're the same boots, just different colors. So on the site, that's the shipping return. They are called the Azalea Wing Charred Thigh High Black Boot, and this is the green color. So I'm not opening it. So this is the first time I'm like seeing it, y'all. Boom. Like, tell me this is just not cute. Like, this is exactly the pop of color you need for whatever. And this will go perfect with the green bag that I got from Target, y'all. Like, it's giving what it needs to give. And I'm here for it. And I love it. And I got them in a size 11, so hopefully they fit. Majority of the time when I get shoes from Akira, they tend to fit how they're supposed to fit. I will say that Azalea Wing is pretty consistent with her sizing. Sometimes things run a little small, but Akira is usually really good about telling you these run small, so order a size up, or these run, like, they usually will put like in red in the description, like, these run small, these run like this big, these run like that. So I will say they do that majority of the time. And then, like I said, I got it in pink because y'all know me, if I like it, I'm gonna get it in every color because why not? Oh wow, this pink. Y'all, I'm so excited. Whew. Too excited. Come on now. Bam. What? Like, come on now. Tell me this is not cute. Tell me this ain't cute. You can't. And over the knee, up to the thigh. Yeah. Y'all know I love me a thigh high because I have some thick old juicy thighs, and a thigh high is going just a peekaboo. I could see this like with a mini skirt. Oh yeah. I'm excited. That I am excited. Acting like it didn't want to do what I needed it to do. There we go. Satisfied with those. Okay. On to the next package. This is the most recent package. These literally just got here, what, like 2-3 days ago? This week, this package came. Yeah. Now this is a combination of boots and sandals because they was having a sale for New Year's. What's this? Ooh, they sent me a little coupon code. Okay. The sandals are on top, so let's start with the sandals. These are called the Stay Unwind sandals in the color nude. And these are what they look like. This a cute little sandal. Let me put my foot in. I want to see if they fit. I could play them off. They a little like they could be just a little bit longer, but they're cute. I like them. Then I got the same sandals in black. Cause you need a good like black sandal, and you need like a brown boot as well. So yeah. Then I got the feeling extra flat sandal. I don't remember what this one is. Oh, it's this. Y'all know this signature little spiky sandal. I have this in black. Well, not black, but I have it in a couple other colors. So I thought this was cute. I got it in another color too. It's at the bottom though, so we're gonna have to go. These are called the Viper Booty and Tan. And it's just a patent leather brown booty. And like I told y'all, I've been into like nude and brown colors, so I thought these were really cute. And like, look at them, just y'all see, I get so happy when I see shoes. Like, too cute, too cute. And everything was on sale. I forgot, like, it was a good sale. And these was all about to go downstairs into my shoe rack when I got downstairs. These are called the Ashland boots in black. And this is just like a staple, and this is like, this heel is not too high, so this could be like not an everyday, but like, you know, a work type of boot, because it's not too high, but it's just, you know, a little over the knee pleather moment, super cute. And I liked it because like I said, the heel was not too high, so I feel like this could probably be worn more often than the other ones that I have, because those heels are a little on the higher side. This is not that high, and it has a little platform, which makes it a little bit more. Wow, I just broke the little thing. I like the things that they be coming with this little I don't even know what to call it, like a little thing, but they be ripping so easily. And the other sandal, this is to keep it real flat, but this is in yellow. Yellow and silver. Super cute. Y'all see it? It's gonna focus. Maybe. There we go. Super cute, super cute. I like it. So, can never have too many white sandals, in my opinion. And then last, the we have the icing monochrome pink chunky booty. And it's just got a pink chunky booty. Super duper cute because we love pink over here. We are a pink family. I love pink. It's my favorite color. So yeah, these are super cute. I was like, with like an all black fit, or just anytime you're trying to add a pop of color to something so simple, throw in a pink shoe, in my opinion. So yeah, it was super duper. I'm just excited. And like I said, all of these shoes, after I do my TikTok video, are probably gonna go, they're gonna go downstairs onto my shoe shelf, because I have a shoe shelf downstairs, because I have so many shoes that are not gonna fit in this room. But yeah, everything will be linked in the description box if they are still available. Like I said, this is all from Shop Akira, so yeah, they have a website. Go check them out if you haven't. I'm a big fan of the shoes. Like I said, so you just gotta read the reviews and read the description of the shoes, because some of them do run small, some of them do run big. They tend to let you know though. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know which pair was your fave, which pair you copied, so we can be twins. But I'll see you on the next one. Bye.